I kid you not, I can play Star Wars Battlefront on the Steam Deck. Here we go. I want to resume the game. We are on Hoth. It's a touchscreen too. I'll be Han Solo.
Han Solo, I'm captain of the Millennium Falcon.
So we're currently running at 60 frames per second. Right here you can see 60. That'll change. It drops down to 57, but it's still running pretty good. There was somebody over there. Where is it? I can't believe I'm even playing Star Wars Battlefront on a Steam Deck. That's insane. I mean, this is a handheld console. If you haven't seen the opening, the unbox, this is Star Wars Battlefront on the Steam Deck, and I usually play it on the Xbox, on the big TV. Now it's in a handheld console, and it feels just like the Xbox. Like up on the top, it's running at 60 frames per second. That's and the GPU's running at 99, 98, so it's rendering texture and stuff. But yeah, the fan's going. It's not crazy though. Where's the other guy coming from? Where is he? There he is. Got him. He's down. It's actually running very good. Oh! Let's switch somebody out. We're gonna do... not restart, no. We're gonna respawn, and I'll become Luke Skywalker or Anakin or one or the other. We'll do Luke.
May the Force be with us.
So it's running at 60 frames per second. At CPU's at 75, GPU's at 95. So it's rendering a lot of detail right now, but it's actually doing really good right now. And the controls feel great. I mean, it feels just like the Xbox. Although I'm a different account because this is the Steam. Of course, I have to restart everything because this is a Steam account. So I gotta build my upgrades and stuff back up. But anyways, it seems to run just like the Xbox. And this is Hoth. So now we are heading to Kamino. I'll be Darth Maul. Upgrade his cards. Saber throw, force choke. Okay. So we're on Kamino. The CPU is running at 60 frames per second. There is no problem whatsoever. The fan, it's warm. But it's definitely not like a huge sound. Still 60 frames per second. There is no issue whatsoever. Still 60 frames per second. If you can see it's up on the upper left. Right there, 60 frames. The controls are actually just like the Xbox. I'm just still getting used to the buttons and all because this is new, but very easy handheld. The only problem is if I want to run, I gotta push down pretty hard on the joystick. The volume is great. There is no issue with the volume. Still 60 frames per second. This is amazing. The battery is still at 100, so don't have any problems so far. brand new Steam Deck, and it's able to run Star Wars Battlefront on it. And that, well, Star Wars Battlefront 2017, Star Wars Battlefront 2. And it is amazing. So I downloaded God of War Ragnarok and, well, God of War on here, so we're going to test that out too, but that might be in a different vid. So far, it seems to be running really right now. 60 frames per second. There is, it's like, it's not even pushing it. It's not even pushing it. The fan's not even, the fan is not going at all right now. It's like it's pretty much just chilling right now. It's meant to render this. This is a beast of a machine. So to finish off this video, we're going to test out Jakku, but again, I'm pretty sure there is no issue whatsoever. There is some ups and downs with this frames per second, but it's not crashing. When I ran this the first time, it did crash, but so far, I don't think there's going to be much of an issue. Look at that.
Sometimes I amaze even myself.
On the Steam Deck, handheld console, and the graphics are amazing. It's like I'm doing this off the Xbox. It's amazing. Oh! CPU, look at that. Frames per second just dropped. But it seems to be going now, so. Apparently it was crunching something. But it didn't crash. Froze just for a bit.
Wish me luck.
Still running great. Oh, that's my buddy. Don't want to shoot him.
This'll hurt tomorrow.
Oh, frames. Look at that. Something's going on. Frame just dropped. If it crashed. Fan's going. I mean, that's the heater that you hear. The fan is much quieter. I think it froze. Yeah, I have to power this down. Well, that was the only disadvantage with that, is that I think I overworked it. But it's able to run it. And, other than this issue, hopefully it get fixed, but I have to force it to shut down, so that'll be it for this video.